Today, let's talk about the mops for the robotic vacuum cleaners. There are two types of mops on the market, rotating and vibrating. The rotating mop works like this, with two mop spines involved to quickly wipe the floor. The vibrating mop uses high-frequency vibrations to apply pressures on the ground to remove stubborn stains. The material of the mop can be cotton, which can pick up dirt effectively, and this is used a lot in the ecovacs debug series. There is also short fiber material, which is brands like Xiaomi and roborock use. The advantage of this is that it has stronger water absorption and dries faster, which helps improve cleaning efficiency. This strong mop has a blue part made of microfiber to increase friction and clean the floor more smoothly, and this part made of absorbent cotton to effectively lock in moisture and prevent the floor from getting too wet. This machine is cutting the fabric. Here, our skilled workers are saving the edges of the mops. You can see that our mops have very dense stitching, which helps extend their lifespan. These are our finished mops, waiting to be packaged, boxed, and shipped to our customers around the world. Thank you for watching. What else would you like to know about techTongBo? Remember to follow us and leave a comment below. We will read and reply your message carefully. Goodbye.